A lot of times, because of the way the world is created and structured, and because many people have a herd mentality, we're not taught to think big, right? Or taught to think out of the box or untraditional. And a lot of people say, how could I ever create money without my own money? And I love just sharing ideas, okay? I had a friend say, hey, I want to be a lender, right? I would love to lend money. I love the idea of lending money to others so they can start a business, so they can do great things. But I don't have any of my own money, right? And I said, well, you could still become a lender. He goes, it's not possible. I would have to save for years to be rich enough to then lend money. And I asked him, I said, I encourage you to think bigger. He goes, okay. And he just was stuck there. And I said, hey, people can become lenders today. It's just the idea of raising capital at a lower interest rate and then taking that same capital and lending it out at maybe a higher interest rate. Isn't that what hard money lenders and banks do anyways, right? Traditional banks borrow from the Fed, and then they take that same money and they re-lend it out. Just so interesting how the world works if you begin to think bigger. I can't wait to help my little baby girl to think bigger, right? We all deserve to think bigger. I think it's a big piece that's missing because of societal conditioning, right? When I was first getting started in business, I thought about this. I was like, everyone in America goes to school for 8 hours and then we get 30 minutes of recess, right? Oh, I loved recess. It was the best part of my day. And then as we get into adulthood, we go to work for 8 hours and we'll be lucky if we get an hour break, right? So I just really started thinking a little bit deeper about how I wanted to create my life. And I wanted to step out of the traditional ways of what's right and wrong. So those are my thoughts this morning. It's crazy. I go for these long walks with my baby girl and we just do some deep thinking. And I want to start sharing a little bit more and more. I've read lots of different books and listened to a lot of different ways of thinking. And over time, it's helped me to create my way of thinking. So as you listen to others and how they're creating their life and how they're making their quality of life better, explore a little bit. It's so much fun. Have a great day, guys. I just wanted to reach out to all my friends and family and for anyone who needs some encouragement to think out of the box. Much love and respect. See you guys soon.